How to fix missing filters or effects on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can do to fix it. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in TikTok. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. Now once you have updated your app, open it. Make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account, then tap on the plus icon at the middle section. Once you do so, it will open up your camera, then tap on the effects icon on your left hand side. Here you will see all these trending, funny and atmospheric features. In case you are not being able to do that, then here is what you can do to fix it. Head over the 3-bar icon on your top right, tap on settings and privacy. At this page, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on report a problem under support and about. Here go to account and profile, tap on profile page, tap on other at the end, here tap on no, and tap on need more help. At this page, simply type in your problem stating that you are not being able to see some filters of effects of TikTok and you would like to fix your problem ASAP. Once you have done that, tap on submit. Now all you have to do is wait for the notification on your system notification, which will appear on this. Under your inbox where it says system notification, you will get an update if they reply you back. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.